Hello. Today we're going to IKEA. We're already in IKEA actually. We're just waiting in the parking because our reservation is at 5 and we got here at 4:40.
And 5:05 na.
Yeah, so we've just been making chismis. So yeah, now it's 5 and we can go. Bye. So IKEA looks like an amusement park, I shit you not. Like the lines are so long. Actually, ang daming lines that leads to like different areas. It's cool, but it's organized. Oh, here are the couches. You're just going round in circles. This one. Walk. Airport vibes. Babe, 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 which boarding gate? Which boarding gate?